There we go. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Kasie Oswald, and I am here with Tamara. Hey, Tamara.
Hello. Nice to see you again.
I know we're always here. We always want to give you like the new updated information, and we both just had a great webinar with Mike Filsame, and he made some important announcements that we want to share with you all today. So welcome.
And can I just say that Kasie got called out?
Oh.
He actually said her name.
That was so funny. And at the same time, Tamara and I were messaging each other. She's like, he called you out. I'm like, he called me out. That was pretty neat.
It's funny.
That was fun.
It's
He
awesome.
called me Kasie Oswald.
I know, Kasie. I love it.
Which I'm called Kasie a lot. And probably everyone that listens to this is going to be like, why didn't she ever tell me? I just roll with it.
That's awesome.
All right. So what is this big announcement that we really want to let everybody know?
Yes, the big announcement that we all knew was coming. We just didn't know when. The price of GrooveFunnels is going up. I'm going to show you really quick. The countdown is right here. Countdown to price increase. You guys, you do not want to wait any longer. 5 hours, 22 minutes, and 26 seconds. You will have to pay a lot more for the one-time offer. And also the payment offer, there's going to be an additional payment. So you're going to pay $500 more at least with the payment plan. I think it went up to 5 payments and now it's going to go to 6 payments. So you do not want to miss out on this special offer right now. All it is one time, one payment of $13.97, one payment, and you will have, let's scroll down, another drum roll, please. You will have GrooveFunnels, which is a funnel builder, GrooveSell, which integrates all your payment options and allows you to do upsells, one-time offers, implement the butterfly marketing package. You can sell whatever you want at any price because you have only paid $13.97 for this bad boy. So you don't have to worry about paying that monthly fee in Kajabi or whatever other platform that you use. Groove Affiliate, you can put an affiliate offer on your product. And you guys, Cassie and I have been researching butterfly marketing, and it is something worth noting that having an affiliate, giving your people an affiliate right away helps market your product at no real cost to you. You may not make as much through that person, but you will make more from their advertising. So if one person can get you 5 people, you're going to make money. Power in numbers, and Groove Affiliate is awesome. Groove Mail is going to be the best mail anywhere. I still know people at Kajabi. I always choose Kajabi because that's what most of our friends know. But we know people at Kajabi that still use a different email platform because Kajabi goes to spam a lot and it's not as effective and powerful as they had hoped. So they are using a different email service. Membership, that's your course builder. That's just like Kajabi. You know, you can save a ton of money using Groove Member. Groove Video, it's going to host your videos that you are going to put on YouTube and your course membership. You know, the whole power in your funnel and in your membership is your video welcoming everybody. Groove Cart, you can have your own store. That is amazing. Your own store. Groove Webinar, live, auto, and stream. Wow, wow, wow. Yeah. No more Demio. Groove Desk, you can be the help desk. You can schedule, you can be the desk, the help desk, instant access to you and your business. Groove Calendar, booking and scheduling, Groove Survey. You know, I know a lot of people love to give quizzes as their freebies, and Groove Survey does that. You do not need to pay for anything else. And Groove Proof, purchase pop-up. Dun, 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 dun. It is amazing. Sorry that was long-winded, but we are very excited about this, and you need to hop on the bandwagon.
I love hearing the excitement in your voice. I mean, she is showing it to you live right now. You see people popping up there right now, just knowing what a great deal this is. And what I think is really important is, like she said, you have 5 hours to decide, but there is a 30-day money back guarantee, which helped me decide when I was starting with Groove. I was like, well, maybe, you know, I can start building a funnel. I can start my course and see how this goes. So with them having the money back guarantee, I thought, well, maybe this is something I could take a chance on.
You have just over 5 hours at this price, and you can get that money back. And I also want to guarantee Kasie's and my help getting everything set up. We will meet with you. We will help you. We will do whatever we can to walk along this journey with you. We will not leave you hanging. We really appreciate all of our affiliates. And this is seriously an offer that you cannot refuse.
Yeah, we are so excited about that. You know, it's funny because we seem so excited about the price increase, but it's not the price increase. We're just so excited that, well, a couple of things. One is all the things that are included, right?
Yeah.
And just the excitement and the community that we have with everybody. And just, I think as it's progressing in price, you know that we are getting closer to getting out of beta too. Like things are almost set, and it's just like this huge excitement in the air. And no, I'm just super excited for it.
That is amazing.
Let's see, we said share the link, share the price change, and show the apps. I think we did that. I think that's all.
Awesome.
All right, everyone, that's all we have for you. We just wanted to make sure we let everybody know about this huge announcement so no one misses out. We told everybody we would tell them when it's happening. So guess what? It's happening.
Yes.
All right. We'll see you guys soon. Email us. Let us know if you have questions. We'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.